If you're looking for some new marketing strategies and tactics that will work, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you 12 marketing strategies that will help your business succeed. Hi, my name is Andris Zemers and you're watching What Works in Marketing YouTube channel. This is the place where you get proven tactics, strategies, new and exciting findings in digital marketing so you can finally grow your online business and live the life you want. I'm here to talk about some of the best marketing strategies that worked for me last year and that I'm definitely gonna use this year. So whether you're just starting out or you're in a business for a while, these strategies are definitely worth checking out. Alright, here are the 12 marketing strategies that you should try this year. Number 1, do a giveaway. Your clients love giveaways, and actually giveaways are very nice vehicle for lead generation. The costs are low, the engagements are high, and there is this room to sell your product at the end of the giveaway. How do you do that? Just throw a giveaway with your product or maybe participate with other partners to make the gift basket bigger. Make sure to do more than one prize, meaning give away 3 to 5 or even 10 prizes so the engagement is much higher and people believe more that they will kind of get the prize. And when the giveaway is over, make sure to send a gift card or a coupon code to all the participants who didn't win. Idea number 2, create a mini series as a lead magnet. This can be text or a video. With a text, just take your ebook or take whatever blog post you have and just divide them or slice them in an email sequence. It can be like 7-day sequence, 12-day sequence, 14-day sequence, or 21-day sequence. Or you can take your training or webinar and slice into 3 to 5 or 7 parts and send out as a video mini series. I think providing value in not just one, but in 5, 7, or 10 parts increases the total engagement. Idea number 3, do more sales in a backend. So a lot of entrepreneurs and marketers do maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 sales or campaigns a year. My suggestion, what I've seen working for many years, is do 1 or even 2 sales or campaigns per month. For example, for one of my e-commerce clients in audio industry, many years ago we did like 3 or 4 sales campaigns per year. But 2 years ago we switched to 1 campaign and even sometimes 2 campaigns per month. And what's interesting, the total yearly sales went up like 50 to 70%. Number 4, try affiliate partnerships as a revenue booster. If you have a list and you have maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 products, it's maybe a good idea to partner up with another company and sell their products to your list. In this case, you get maybe 40, 50, even 60% of the revenue. That's basically pure profit for you. Or if you don't have a list yet, try to get affiliates to promote your products. Many entrepreneurs and marketers are kind of afraid or shy to talk with affiliates and ask them to promote the products, but I found that it's much easier than I thought, and it's a nice profit generator. Idea number 5, create a VIP option to your product. I found this little trick 2 years ago and it works like a magic. If you have online courses or even if you're selling a physical products, always create a bundle option or VIP option, something more special, something that's like 2 times or even 3 to 5 times more expensive. And you will see that even 15 to 20% will take action and buy the more expensive thing. Number 6, try new channels to increase ROI. If your funnel or offer is working and you're quite happy with it, try different channels. If you're on YouTube, go to Facebook. If you're on Facebook, go to YouTube. Always try new channels. Remember, there are 3 big paid channels that everybody is using: Facebook and Instagram, Google and YouTube, and partner channels like different media, blogs, communities, etc. If you're using just one of them, try to go to other channels and you will see the results. Number 7, experiment with new funnels. If you're doing webinars, try to do email sequences and PDFs. If you're doing PDFs, try to do webinars. If you're doing webinars and PDFs and email sequences, try to do challenges. And in this case, I have flexibility and I'm not dependent on just 1 or 2 campaigns. Number 8, set up a quick Google search campaign. I found this last year with one of my clients and it gave such a huge results. What we did during the Black Friday, we created a quick branded keywords campaign. We put our brand name in there, we put our products in there, basically anything related to our products and brand we put in the Google campaign. And the results were fantastic. I think 15 to 20% of the sales during the Black Friday came from the Google. Well, I'm not saying that this campaign generated results from the scratch. I'm saying that if we would not launch the campaign, potentially the results would be not so good. It's a quick fix, it's maybe 20 to 30 minute work and you will see the results. Set up a small budget for a branded search campaign throughout the year and maybe push the budget a bit higher during the big sales like, I don't know, summer sale or Black Friday sale. Number 9, create more videos for engagement. Just think where you can put videos instead of text or images. For example, ads instead of banners, try to put more video ads. Second, blog post. Instead of writing thousands of words, from time to time, try to switch to video format. Instead of text, try to use videos. And the same with organic socials. Yes, there is place for text, there is place for banners, but there's always place for more and more videos. Number 10, give even more value for free. This is definitely not something new, and we've all heard about that, but there are lots of businesses that are not doing this enough. And I think that just a PDF or just a small downloadable cheat sheet is not enough. If you're not doing this, just send out a survey to your clients or your list, or just ask on socials what are their biggest problems and pains. Then create 1, 2, maybe 3 hour in-depth training about this topic, then slice it in 3 to 5 parts and send it out as a mini series. This will be a killer lead generator for you. Remember, before you can sell anything to them, you have to build that trust and that authority by building value first. Number 11, collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences. I know for some of you this might sound harder, but you will be surprised how many podcasts, YouTubers, or even influencers on Instagram or other channels would be willing to talk to you and create a quick discussion or live Q&A, etc. If you have something to tell, if you have something to share, don't be afraid to reach out to other creators and collaborate. And if you have big launches or big product launches or big campaigns coming up, or even challenges, try to work with them. Try to ask them to be part of your challenge, ask them to be a part of your webinar, and this will create a massive reach to your campaign. Last but not least, number 12, create real relationships with influencers. I think there are 2 kinds or 2 levels of influencers. The first is just influencers. You basically pay them or send them a product and they promote it. That's it. The relationship ends there. The second are real brand or product fans. Well, it doesn't happen overnight. You have to build these relationships. Yes, sometimes you need to pay them. Sometimes you need to send the product. Sometimes you need to ask them out for a lunch or dinner. Yes, and sometimes you just need to call them and ask how are they doing. And maybe in a year or 2 years, and sometimes even in just a few months, they will transform from just influencer to a real brand ambassador. I found that there's nothing more important for your brand or marketing than real brand fans who have a massive audience and who love your product. That's it. That's my list of marketing ideas, tactics, strategies that I'm definitely gonna use this year for my business and my clients' businesses. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave in a comment section which of the ideas you found most valuable and maybe throw in some of yours. See you on the next video. See ya!